looks like most of the nests are empty. We got some right there. Looks like we got 2 white ones and a blue one. It's kind of cold. The chickens haven't been laying too much. Nothing in those nests there. Let me give them a little bit of corn. I have it set to go off in the mornings and at noon, so they get fed automatically twice a day. But in the evening, I like to give them a little taste, so I put it on test. And once you put on test, you need to walk away. Because it's like dodging bullets. The bee yard is flooded. I got that pile of dirt right there though. I'm gonna spread out as soon as I get a chance. Fill up all these low spots right here that are holding water. This doesn't usually hold water. We've just been getting a lot of rain. These are pretty much all locked down. It's about 40 degrees right now. Got one little fella on the outside the box. Is he alive? No, he's dead. He was stuck to the box. Must have got caught outside in the cold. I see a few flying. Some robbers getting in these combs. Hey guys, if you have chickens and you got a garden and you plant you some turnips and they've gotten too big to eat, give them to your chickens. They love to eat turnips. They'll eat the whole turnip. They'll eat the greens. I got some extra mustard greens. Give them to the chickens. In the wintertime, they just love anything green, any kind of vegetable. I just let everything grow all winter long. Whatever we don't eat, I just pick it, give it fresh to the chickens. They love it.
Free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over, yeah.